FANUC now offers the two latest CNCs. One is FANUC Series 30i, 31i, 32IB+, which is FANUC's high-end CNC, with significantly enhanced machining performance. The other is FANUC Series 0IF+, which is the easier-to-use standard CNC. FANUC Series 30i, 31i, 32IB+ is enhanced. Visibility and operability are improved, with brand new appearance and screen. IoT can be supported with standard network function. Further cycle time reduction is realized, with high-speed CPU. Further cycle time reduction can be realized by applying high-speed CPU with good performance. Smart corner control can realize high speed and smooth acceleration-deceleration around curved corner, and improve machining shape and speed. In addition, the scope of dual-check safety and 3D interference check are extended in multi-paths and multi-axis system. Here is an example of shortening the cycle time. In FANUC Series 30i, 31i, 32i Model B+, in addition to the improvement of basic performance by high-speed CPU, acceleration and deceleration of AI contour control, and drilling cycle have been optimized. And fast cycle time technology fusing servo control technology, such as smart overlap and smart rigid tapping, the cycle time will be greatly shortened. In our cycle time evaluation sample, the time was reduced by about 15%. FANUC's new user interface, IHMI, is available in FANUC Series 0IF+. IHMI contributes to operability. Display unit lineup is expanded. Hob package and grinder package are released. They are suitable for simple gear cutting machines and grinding machines. Entangled chip troubles during machining caused the decrease of productivity, and the countermeasures led to cost increase of equipment. Servo learning oscillation is a new solution that prevents troubles by chip shredding, with oscillating the tool along the feed direction. With FANUC's latest CNC, this function can be easily applied to turning and drilling with addition of a simple program. It's possible to easily find the best machining conditions, thanks to accurate oscillation, with FANUC's original servo learning control. This chart shows display unit lineup, which can be used with CNC. These can be chosen depending on uses. Wide type, 21.5 inches, LCD unit, with capacitive touch panel, suitable to FA uses available in FANUC Panel IH Pro, our PC-based display unit. Comfortable operation like smartphone, with multi-touch function can be realized. In addition, accurate operation, even in terrible noise environment can be realized.